Hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. So let's start. Capricorn, your partner's current energy right now is, this is a reading from 11th till the 21st, okay? So let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is a 4 of Cups. Okay, Capricorn, your partner right now is very dissatisfied, bored, discontent. They are right now in dilemma, some kind of depression. They are not able to decide anything in their life, and especially in love and emotions. This person is very depressed, not able to decide anything. I don't know what is happening with them. Might be they're having options in their life, but they're not able to decide what the right option for them is. Okay, so somebody is offering them love, but they are not looking at that love. Might be you are offering them love, but they are looking in some other direction. So this is the situation. Let me clarify the 4 of Cups in their current energy. The World, the Sun, and the 6 of Cups. Okay, so there's a cycle that is ending in their life, and they're finding love, or they're trying to find happiness in the past situation. Okay, they're still stuck on the past person, or they're still stuck on the past, and they're missing this past person. It might be you, if you guys are in separation, and if you guys are in a connection where you're connected from a very long time. So I can feel like this person is completing a cycle or ending a cycle with someone, because they still feel like they still feel happy with the past person. Okay, they still feel that the past person is the one for them. They're nostalgic about them, they feel love for them, and they feel like, nah, this is not my right person, I was happy with the past one. Okay, this is their current energy. Let's clarify your current energy. It could be you. It could be you. They left you, might be, but now they are missing you very badly. Let me see what's your current energy. High Priestess. Okay, you are being very silent with them or with yourself, or right now you are just trying to tap into your intuition and see where your intuition is leading you. So you're trying your best to listen to your intuition, what your mind is telling you, what your intuition is telling you, and you are being very secretive these days, or you are doing something, might be doing something that you don't want to tell anyone. Okay, what you're doing. So it's kind of secretive energy. Let me clarify the High Priestess. 2 of Wands and the Queen of Wands and the Justice could be dealing with the Libra here. So you are just waiting for the right time to tell how passionate you are about someone. You are just trying to do justice. You're just waiting for the right time to do justice with a situation, with an emotion, or with a connection. So that's why you are being very silent right now. You're just trying to analyze, you're trying to contemplate what actually is it, or how to do justice with this situation. I don't want to do injustice with me or with the other person. So you are just trying to find out a solution to bring balance to this connection. Okay, so you're just waiting for the right time. So you're just waiting for the right time that you are going to tell the world, or tell some other person, or tell somebody that you are really passionate about this something or someone, and you want to bring balance in this situation. And that's why you are being very silent right now. Might be you are planning to do a project or something, and you are being very silent about it right now, that you don't want to talk about it to anybody. Okay, you're just planning something. Okay, this is the situation. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Capricorn. Okay, 9 of Cups. This is beautiful energy of wish fulfillment. They feel like you are their wish fulfillment. Now I'm getting this. So you guys had a breakup in the recent past, might be. This person might be chose somebody else over you. Now this person is missing you very much. They feel like you are their happiness. They feel like you are the one who really make them happy. Okay, let me clarify the 9 of Cups as their feelings for you. And now this person is feeling like you are the one who is fulfilling their life, who you are their wish fulfillment, you are the apple of their eye. These type of feelings they are getting for you. You are their wish fulfillment, you are the love, lots of love. Okay, let me clarify. Kind of wish fulfillment energy, that you are their wish fulfillment. Strength, you could be dealing with the Leo here. Strength card, 6 of Pentacles and the 10 of Wands. So this person is taming their inner lion. They are finally realizing that they feel like bringing a balance between you and them, and they are not feeling like giving up. They feel like they should not give up on this connection, and they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. They are hopeful that they will be able to bring the balance between you guys someday. This is what they feel about this connection, or about you in particular, you can say. So this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment, okay, and they feel like bringing the balance between you guys, between you and this between you and them, okay, and they feel like not giving up on this situation, although they feel like this is a very difficult situation to heal, or to to heal or to handle, you can say. But they are not feeling like giving up on the situation anytime soon, because they feel you really make them happy. Okay, cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Judgment, forgiveness. Capricorn, this person wants a second chance with you. This person wants to have a reconciliation with you. This person wants to give this connection a second chance. And this is what they want from you. They want forgiveness from you. They want you to forgive them and forget everything that happened in the past and give this connection a second chance. It is pure energy of forgiveness. It is pure energy of let's restart and have a reconciliation, because I still have lots of love for you. Okay, let me clarify. They're just literally begging the universe to give you back to them, okay, to have a reconciliation. Queen of Pentacles in the Tower and the Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is coming out of a breakup situation, from a very hurtful situation, and they're waiting for your forgiveness. They're waiting for the right time to seek forgiveness from you if they are not reaching you right now, and they feel like there will be reconciliation, but they are just waiting for the right time. They are healing from this breakup. See, this person is trying to heal from this breakup situation, or it could also mean that they are suddenly realizing that they are just going to wait for you. They are suddenly realizing that, just give me a second. So what this person wants from you is they want you to heal from this breakup situation and wait for the right time and forgive them. They want to have a reconciliation with you, and this person wants you to forgive them, because after the breakup I feel like this person wants you to heal from the past situation and just wait for the right time. Till then, forgive them and forget everything that you guys had in the past that was bullshit or that was not working out between you guys, and this person wants to reconciliate, okay, but they want you to just wait for the right time, just heal from the breakup thing and just wait for the reconciliation. This is what they want from you. Okay, let me see what is coming towards you till 21st. Let me see. Eight of Wands, back and forth communication, lots of communication. Eight of Wands, back and forth communication is coming towards you from this particular person, okay, and this is just not hi hello kind of communication. It is kind of, yeah, lots of communication, and you guys are going to clear out the air between you guys, clear out all the communication factors between you guys. Let me clarify. Let me see. Nine of Wands and the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Okay, this person is coming with a love offer to you. This person does love you. This person is very passionate about you. This person have lots of love feelings for you, and they are coming with a love offer. They're coming with a love offer towards you, okay, because this person have lots of passion for you, lots of love for you, and this is back and forth communication happening between you guys, and they're going to clearly tell you that they love you, and they want to offer you this relationship, and they want to have a reconciliation with you. Let's start again. This is what is coming towards you till the 21st, Capricorn. This is beautiful energy of someone coming with lots of love for you. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.